This is the Bajaj Maxima, a compact three-wheeler that redefines practicality and performance in the world of last-mile transportation. From the moment you see it, you realize it's not just another auto rickshaw, it's a powerful workhorse built to handle the challenges of urban and rural roads alike. With a sturdy design and a rugged chassis, the Bajaj Maxima is made to last. At the heart of the Maxima is a powerful engine that delivers more torque and better mileage, whether you're carrying passengers or goods. The Maxima C variant is especially popular in cargo transport, while the Maxima Z is tailored for passenger convenience. Whichever model you choose, Bajaj ensures that you're getting exceptional reliability and value for money. The diesel, CNG, and LPG variants make it versatile for different business needs, with an emphasis on efficiency and low running costs. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find a surprisingly spacious interior. For the driver, everything is within easy reach. The ergonomically designed controls, upright seating, and wide windshield provide excellent visibility and comfort, even on longer drives. Whether you're navigating the narrow streets of a crowded city or making deliveries in a remote village, the Maxima handles every situation with confidence. Built for tough usage, its heavy-duty suspension system absorbs shocks from uneven roads, giving both the driver and passengers a smooth ride. The reinforced body panels offer added safety, while the broad wheelbase ensures excellent stability, even when fully loaded. It's no surprise that the Maxima is a trusted companion for thousands of drivers across India and beyond. But the Maxima isn't just about toughness, it's also smart. Bajaj has engineered the vehicle to offer easy maintenance, low downtime, and high uptime. The engine is easy to service, and spare parts are widely available, keeping your business running without interruption. And with Bajaj's wide service network, help is always nearby. Its practical features include a large cargo deck in the Maxima C, suitable for transporting fruits, vegetables, cylinders, and more. Meanwhile, the Maxima Z comes with a well-padded rear seat and overhead canopy for passenger protection from sun and rain. Bajaj knows the demands of the streets, and they've designed the Maxima to meet them. When it comes to performance, the Maxima delivers every time. Its efficient powertrain offers excellent pickup even with a full load, making it ideal for hilly terrain or congested traffic. The turning radius is tight, allowing for quick U-turns and smooth navigation through narrow alleys.